Hello everyone, it's Josephine from Dipli, and the goal of this video is to give you an overview of the cockpit. So the cockpit is your best tool as a Dipli seller. Basically, that's the place where you can manage everything end-to-end related to your sales. When you log in, the first thing that you will see is the dashboard. You will see your past performances on your past orders. You can also check the price advisor, which is a tool that Dipli provides to recommend the best price you should get to optimize your sales. Catalog section, you can manage everything related to your stock. That is to say, you can make sure that you update your stock, you update your prices, and you also add new products. And the goal is for you to offer the largest catalog possible to the customers. There is also an orders button that enables you to check what's ongoing on your side, what you need to ship, and what are the orders that are ongoing, basically. On the cockpit, you can manage everything related to your billing history. So you can access to details order by order. Lastly, but very importantly, you can access on the cockpit to all of your ongoing RMAs. That is to say, the RMA that require your action and the one that are open, but also all of the past RMAs. Thanks for watching!